I'll tell you guys, the stock seat, this is a solo seat. It's not terrible, but it's not great either. And I've been waiting to make this bike 2-up accessible. So today we're gonna be changing this seat out for a brand new seat. It starts with saddle and ends with men. What is going on, everybody? My name is Miles. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage. Look at you. Look at you. Who knew? You're back. You subscribed to my channel. You liked a video or two. You saw this, you clicked on it, and you're watching it, and somehow, I don't know how, but I'm entertaining you. So welcome back to the channel. This is my 2023 Road Glide ST. If you haven't watched some previous videos, I suggest that you go back, check out the last couple videos I've put out. I did have a 2021 Lowrider S, and I did a lot to that bike. If you're into the Lowrider S, I've got a lot of content on that. Check out some of my videos. But I decided to trade it in on this brand new 2023 Road Glide ST. This bike is bad to the mother bone, dude. This bike kicks so much ass. I can't even explain to you how much I love this bike. But one of the downsides of getting the Road Glide ST is that you don't get passenger pegs or a 2-up seat out the gate from the factory. You don't get that. So if you're looking for that on your bike, you might want to look at a Road Glide Special or a Road Glide Standard. The Road Glide ST stands for Sport Touring. It's more designed to be a performance bike, so they set you up with a solo setup at first. It doesn't make a lot of sense because the ST comes in at a higher price point, but it is what it is. I mean, you're getting the 117. This thing is awesome. So anyways, I've done a couple things to make this bike 2-up accessible. I'm gonna go over the seat installation. The ST does not come with a bumper kit, which I recommend you install unless you wanna mess up your rear fender. So we're gonna do that. I think we're gonna throw some passenger pegs that I got from Cross Threads on there, the passenger peg mount as well, and the Saddlemen seat I'm going to unbox. I've had Lapera, I've had Saddlemen. I've mostly run Saddlemen, and for good reason. To be honest, I've run the Saddlemen seats on every single Harley that I had, the Iron 83, the Street Bob, the Lowrider S, and I've never been disappointed with it. They make great, comfortable seats, and I've always been happy with them, but I've never had one like this. So it's gonna be exciting unboxing this new seat for that. But yeah, let's get our hands dirty here. I'm basically gonna take the seat off and the bags off as well, or one bag, so that I can slide the fender seat nut kit up underneath there. So yeah, let me do that. Well, we can add this seat to the wall of shame stock seats. I did already install the Harley 4-point docking hardware right here, and I picked up a backrest and pad. So I went ahead and did that to set this up for maximum 2-up comfort. That docking hardware is nice to have though, because you can put the tour pack or a luggage rack on there as well. Quick detach. What I like about the newer touring bikes is if you got the one touch bags, easy to open. These unscrew right here. The bag comes off really easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these bags off. I've got the Harley fender seat nut kit right here with a zip. I can't even think of the name of this. What is a zip tie? Come on, Miles. It's a zip tie. So you're gonna slide this up under the rear fender to be able to mount a 2-up seat. This is just an easy way to get this seat nut and the clip as well up underneath the fender. We're gonna get the bag off. We're gonna throw these passenger mount, foot peg mounts on here, part number 505000403A. We're gonna mount those on. Okay, I'm also going to point this out while I have the seat off. If you have a Road Glide Special or a Road Glide Standard, you take your seat off, you'll look right here and you'll see two bumpers. So the Road Glide and Street Glide ST have the solo seat on here so that they don't come with those bumpers. What those bumpers do, they prevent the seat from rocking back and forth and there being any kind of fender damage on the rear fender. So I've got the bumper kit right here, 54395-10. It's like 20 bucks. We're gonna install these bumpers right here so that when I put this 2-up seat on, it doesn't slide back and forth or cause any damage to the rear fender. So for the passenger peg mounts, we're gonna pull out this little stopper right there, and they're going to mount right here with the hardware in the kit. These are angled differently, so you wanna make sure you're installing the right side. All right, we've got the passenger peg mount on. Now I'm going to mount the cross thread passenger pegs that I bought to the bike. I will be running these floorboards as well. That's why I got these, because I plan on running these floorboards in the near future. The brake arm, brake pad, all of this style. I really like how this looks. There's a couple different options from Crossthread. This is the one without the silver spikes. This is a newer version and it looks so clean. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these on there now. I'm sure a lot of you know this already if you've already been through this, but Harley provides the mounting hardware for the peg in the passenger peg kit, passenger reach footboard kit. They give you the hardware to mount the peg, but you have to get the actual mounts from Crossthread if that's the route you're going, or wherever you're going. You want that male mount style mount right there for the peg. So I just wanted to make a note of that. All right, now the peg and mount are assembled. When I install this on the bike, I will tighten that mount up. Want to make sure that you angle it right for the right angle for your passenger's feet. All right, I'm not gonna lie, that was a little tricky. This spring washer makes it very difficult to get the peg in there, but I did finally just slowly pushing it in with a flat head and maneuvering it around to slide the clevis pin through there. So now you've got these little C-clips to mount on the other side, very tiny. That's gonna be fun. After some trials and tribulations, the passenger foot pegs are now installed. They look awesome. The cross-thread stuff looks great. So let's go ahead and unbox this Saddlemen to complete this video. I wanted the best Saddlemen seat that you can get. That is the San Diego custom seat with the adjustable little back support right there. Let's open it up. Oh yeah. Oh. Wow. Ooh. that look, guys? Wow. Saddlemen always coming through with the quality. Whoa. Has that gripper feel. Oh man. So you're gonna be able to open this up, and there's a little backrest that goes in there. I'm so stoked for this. Oh my gosh. Whew. What a nice seat. I'm way too excited for this seat. There it is, the little lumbar support, and it goes right in here like this. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for dropping by the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I can't wait to get out on the road and test this seat out. So my name is Miles. Ride fast, take chances. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.